RIDA. Good job.
My lecture will be about the situation of interior design in general in Europe at the moment, and the steps that we have taken in Europe to unite, because Europe, as you know, is a lot of countries with a lot of different cultures, and also the steps that we've taken to further professionalize the profession and to work on legislation and recognition of the profession in general.
I think what you have done here is extraordinary. I think it is critically important because it allows for our design community to come together to understand important issues, topical issues, and to then think about expanding what we do, how we do it, and take it further.
我諗俾好多在職嘅室內設計師啦，俾係啲一般而家進修緊嘅將來嘅設計師啦，係好好反省一下呢個行業咧，其實發展落去咧應該走咩路線？
呢一個係一個好好嘅機會啦，等所有即係 practitioners 啊、designers 啊、design 學生啊，知道其實尤其是 interior design 啦，當然今次講緊呢個 topic 係知道佢哋未來會面對啲咩嘢，佢要自己企個 stand 喺邊一度。咁所以其實呢個係一個好好嘅機會。In a way， 除咗俾design practitioners 係認識呢樣嘢之外咧，其實好可能我相信有其他即係 public in general at large 咧，都需要知道呢樣嘢。
我的题目叫做《室内設計在中國》，主要講一講我們中國在國內的這個室內設計的這些組織團體啊，還有一些法規啊、政策啊，以及一些學習的這樣教育的一些情況。
專業化事實上是我們這個行業最重要的一個政策跟規劃，也是我們設計師的一種發展的出路。
一個非常難得嘅機會就係可以請到歐美中台咁樣一啲專業嘅講者咧，咁樣就分享一下佢哋唔同地方嘅即係實際嘅情況咁樣啦。
我一陣間會講嘅就係關於呢個守則嘅概括啦。仲有咧一啲關乎到呢個守則當中，我哋消防處係喺邊一方面係去行使呢個權力啦。最重要嘅希望能夠藉住呢次機會咧，係讓各位嘅室內設計師知道原來你哋嘅設計同埋一個消防嘅設備嘅融合咧，能夠帶出一個公共嘅保障。
嗱，其實咧小型工程監管制度咧就會喺嚟緊3月，即係2010年嘅3月咧就全面推行㗎啦。咁而整個香港咧，任何一個建築業咧嘅從業員咧，其實都會被牽涉在內嘅。由於呢個新嘅系統咧，就會對全港性，包括市民同埋所有建築嘅從業員咧，有深遠嘅影響啦。咁所以咧，其實室內設計行業咧就無可避免，一定要有相當嘅認知。
我就會touch on 咧就係Code of Professional Conduct。我俾呢個 talk 嘅 basis 咧，我就會用香港建築師學會嗰個 code 嘅模式嚟做一個起點。
咁其實設計師嗰個層面好闊嘅，咁當然室內設計師都係其中一個範疇。咁佢哋牽涉到個問題咧都會極多下喺個版權嗰個運用嗰方面啊咁樣。咁譬如我今次咧就分開幾個階段，譬如話會講下版權係咩啦，咁同埋喺設計行業裏邊，尤其是喺室內設計呢一方面，嗰個版權通常嘅侵權係點樣認定啊？
We're going to be talking about continuing education and some undergraduate education and curriculum. I hope to share knowledge about what we do in the United States with continuing education, some of the issues we have, as well as the improvements that need to be to take place.
Research is needed to gain recognition for the field of interior architecture as a specific field. And I think the recognition will help also to define us, separate us from the decorators.
Okay, today I'll be basically talking about the legislation process in Malaysia itself. The topics that I'll cover will basically be on why there's a need for legislation, the chronology of events that led to the legislation itself, the legislation itself and the post-legislation period itself.
好高興啦！即係室內設計師咧，佢就係考慮專業化喺佢哋個名稱等等咧，就即係能夠使到社會人士咧確認佢哋嘅專業嘅方面。但係咧，作為一個專業嘅登記咧，咁其實咧就亦都有好多好處，亦都有好多壞處。咁我就想提醒佢哋咧係要考慮好清楚，究竟專業人士佢有幾多嘅責任啊，同埋咧佢哋要做嘅嘢係會點，咁有冇影響佢哋而家嘅行業咧？等佢哋係小心啲考慮。
其實呢一個系列嘅研討會咧，對目前香港嗰個設計室內設計業咧嘅同業啊、執業啊係好重要嘅，而且咧係可以將呢個行業嘅一啲專業嘅知識咧係提升啊同埋補充嘅。